These are the scenic elevators at the Destiny USA Mall in Syracuse, New York. Only two of them are working today, that one and that one right there. The other two, one of them is up on 5, we're starting on 3, and the other one is down at the bottom. I wonder what the display's used for. Lantern doesn't work. Let's go down to C. Someone got on, so we're gonna use this to look at the elevators from the bottom. 7 stories tall. Weirdly enough, these two elevators right here, the ones that are broken, serve the 4th floor, but these two don't. And everything above 3 is restricted. So, here's our elevator. So yeah, as you can see, there's no button for 4. 6 doesn't work, 5 doesn't work, but 3 works. We're gonna ride it back down to C. We're gonna get a cab view this time. So yeah, very nice elevators. I'm not gonna bother opening the phone box because these are scenic elevators. People can see what I'm doing. And let's just get off here. Good place to switch cars anyway. Here's another view of the elevators from the 1st floor. Here's our elevator. I just saw people get out of it. Can we catch it? We got it. Let's go to C. Start with a cab view. These elevators are pretty busy, but I guess when 2 of the 4 don't work, they have to be. I'm gonna go to 3. This one is a floor passing chime. As you can see, there's no landing for 4 on those 2 elevators, but there is on this one. Let's go back down to C. We just shut the door on someone, but oh well. And we're at 1. I'm just gonna get out of here. Took a while, but we got our elevator back. Let's go down to C. Odds are we're gonna have to stop, but there's one more angle that I want to capture on video. We're actually just gonna take it on the other elevator, just because it doesn't seem like it's as busy. People seem to prefer the elevator we were just riding. But anyway, let's go to 3. I'll take a look at this. It's not as good as I thought. But, oh well. We're just gonna end by taking one more look at the elevators. The other one went up to 4, but But anyway, that'll be it.